Well, today I'm going to explain about the connection diagram of my team's project named the Light Hand. So let's start. First and anything, I have to explain how I'm going to do my exposition. I'm going to divide it on three explications. The first and second are of the connection diagram of two important electronic components used on the project. Those are the photoresistors and the servo motors. Then on the third part, I'm going to explain about the general connection diagram that we used to put it working this project. So let's start. By design, we got that the photoresistors have two poles, the positive pole and the negative pole. Obviously, the positive pole have to be connected on the electricity source. In our case, we choose electricity source which provides 5 volts of energy, and it is granted by the Arduino shield. And then the negative pole obviously have to be connected on the ground of the protoboard. But we have to be clear on this, because before we connect it on the ground, we have to connect a 10k ohms resistor, and then we have to connect a cable that it has to be connected on the analog in part of the shield. How does the analog in cable help us? Well, this is how the brightness of the light is going to send signal values to the Arduino shield, and it will transform into commands that will set how the servo motor is going to move. So this is the importance of the connection of the analog in. We have to be clear on this. The analog in and the digital pin that we are going to explain later are set on the programming code that we did, and it is going to be explained by my partner Carlos. So then the servo motors. Well, the servo motors has obviously a positive pole and a negative pole, but also it has a extra cable where the information and the commands are transmitted to the servo motors, and this is how the servo motor knows how it is going to move. The connection on our project is simple. We got that the black cable is the negative pole, the positive pole is the red cable, and the digital pin is the white cable. So it's easy to know how we connect it. We connect the red cable on the positive pole of the protoboard, the black cable on the negative pole of the protoboard, and then the digital pin on the Arduino shield. We have to be clear that and remember that the digital pin has to be connected depending on the programming code, because my partner Carl is going to explain it deeper, but this is how we set which photoresistor is going to command each servo motor. So this is the importance of this. Additionally, we have to make a trick to get together the components. This trick is called the shared grounds, and it's just as simple as connecting a cable on the ground part of where we connected the servo motor's grounds, and the other side of the cable connected on the grounds of the photoresistors. And this is how we get that the project works correctly. Besides an extra detail, we got that we have to add electricity source. Also, this one is for the servo motors, and it's granted by the Arduino shield. Because sometimes it makes a circuit, and this is how we fix it. So this is my part and the connection diagram of my team's project. I hope you enjoy it and see you later.